Here I have Realme 9i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the additional settings, accessibility, TalkBack, and here you can enable this feature. So after that, TalkBack tutorial starts immediately and it starts to talk
Page 1 of 5.
non-stop,
TalkBack is a screen reader intended for
just like this.
situations where people who have difficulty seeing the
So
screen.
when you need TalkBack, if you want to select any option, you have to firstly select it and then double tap it, just like this. And the same if you want to turn this feature off, firstly select it, then double tap and confirm. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.